Hello, welcome to the Spoon Fork Heart Kitchen. สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Siri. Today I'm going to show you how to make stir fry beef and baby corn or เนื้อผัดข้าวโพดอ่อน For the recipe today, stir fried beef and baby corn, I got the request from from one of my subscribers on my Instagram. And for beef today, I use the bottom round roast. I cut into the bite size. Okay, and I just have to cut all our vegetable. For the vegetable today, I will cut the mushroom first. I'm gonna remove the bottom. Now we finish remove the bottom our mushroom, so I gonna cut the through mushroom. I will cut to be 4 pieces. I use 8 ounces of mushroom, and you can use the brown mushroom if you like, but today I prefer the white mushroom. Now our mushroom done. Okay, I gonna set that on the side. Next, I'm gonna move on to the baby corn. For the baby corn, I use the baby corn in the can, in the water and salt. That's all they have in here because they're very difficult to find fresh baby corn over here in America. So I have to use the baby corn in the can. Okay, and I'm gonna cut the baby corn to the bite size too. And now our baby corn done cutting. I'm gonna set on the side also. And next, green onion. Okay, I'm gonna cut about 1 inch the onion, 1 inch long for the onion. And for the bottom part, I will cut half. So they're not too difficult to chew in it. Okay, our green onion done. Oop. They run away from me. Okay, set that on the side also. And next, 2 sweet pepper for make our food have the beautiful color. So I'm gonna add 2 sweet pepper. Cut and remove the seed. And for the sweet pepper, I will cut 1 inch long, same I cut the green onion. Now our sweet pepper done, I'm gonna set it on the side with our green onion. Okay, and next I'm gonna chop the garlic and ginger. I use the 4 cloves the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna remove the garlic peel, garlic skin. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to cut small and chop the garlic very fine. Okay, I want to make sure my garlic is the small, so I'm gonna chop them again. Chop them up again. Now garlic done, nice and small. Gonna set it on the side. Last vegetable to cut today is ginger. I go use about 1 teaspoon, so it'll be a little tiny. So I'm gonna peel the ginger. Okay, and I will thinly slice our ginger. And I will chop our ginger small size, and I chop the garlic. Same thing, make sure your ginger is small cut. So wow, I love how the ginger smells. It smells so good. Open up my throat and everything. Okay, done chopping the ginger. Put the 1 teaspoon, put it with the garlic. Now we're done cutting our vegetable, and now I'm gonna make the sauce. Okay, I'm gonna start with the oyster sauce. We will use 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. And next, our soy sauce. I use 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Okay. And next, I'm gonna use 1.5 tablespoon the golden mountain soy sauce. One and a half. And next, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon black pepper. Ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Okay, and 1 teaspoon. Next, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon sugar. Okay, and next, I'm gonna use 2 teaspoon cornstarch. Okay, all the salt in here, and now I'm gonna mix them. Make sure everything mix well together. Just whisk them with my cute piggy. Okay, now all the salt mix well together. I'm gonna set our salt on the side, and we'll move on to the next step. And now my pan is hot enough. I will put the cooking oil. Okay, now it's a low heat because I don't want our garlic and ginger to burn. Okay. And now I make sure my oil hot. I will put the garlic and ginger. Wow. Looks like a lot of garlic and ginger, but that's always good. The flavor come out when they're cooking. The smell really good. Never be too much for garlic and ginger for me. And be sure you keep mixing all your garlic and ginger, because they will be burned very quick. And now they change the color and all the smell, all the fragrance come out. Next, I'm gonna turn up the heat and add our beef. Okay, and now I try to separate all the meat very quickly, but I don't want the beef to be cooked too long. Make sure. Okay, and now they're all separate. Mix them well together with the ginger and garlic. Okay, when you wait for your beef cooking, now you can add your baby corn inside the hot water to remove the flavor from the salt and from the fermenting. Just about 30 seconds. Okay, and then I'm gonna set on the side so that all the water drain. Okay, move on back to our beef. Okay, now our beef is cooked. I will add our baby corn. Make sure remove all the water. Okay, add the baby corn and stir well with the beef. Alright, and next I'm gonna add our mushroom. I use 8-ounce mushroom. Okay, add all mushroom. Wow. Also, mushroom is easy to cook, so I will just want to make sure I mix all the beef and mushroom and the baby corn well together before I add the sauce. And for this stir-fry beef and baby corn, sometimes it's hard to find this recipe in Thailand also, but I got one request from my subscriber from the Instagram, and he said he had this in San Francisco by the Thai chef. Maybe might be signature dish for the Thai chef over there. I hope you, and I tried when they request this recipe, and I try to create my own, and I hope you will like my recipe. Okay, after you mix well together with the table and beef, next we're gonna add our sauce that we mixed earlier. Our sauce go in. Okay, when the sauce go in now, again I will mix well together. Wow. I want to make sure all your sauce cover beef and baby corn and the mushroom. And now we almost done. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons cooking wine. Oh wow. One more. Be careful and not pour a whole bottle into that. Okay, and now I get a quick mix, just very quick, one more time. Look at all the color, all the sauce cover the beef and mushroom and baby corn. Smell very good over here right now. Okay, and now almost done. I will add another teaspoon the sesame oil, very little bit, about 1 teaspoon. Okay. After you add the sesame oil, the smell changing. Okay. Last 2 vegetables. Sauce nice and thick now and all cover. Last 2 ingredients will be our green onion and lace pepper. It will make your stir fry the colorful, beautiful. Okay, this green onion and the lace pepper, it will make your stir fry beautiful color. Pop it up all the color. Look even better. We just need to stir fry this for about 30 seconds and we will done and we will be ready to serve. Okay, now we done our stir fry beef and baby corn. Okay, now I'm ready to try this. Can't wait. Okay, now I need to dig it in. I will pick up some beef and some baby corn. Wow. Oop. Sorry. Beef, baby corn, and mushroom all in one bite. Wow. I like how the baby corn tastes. It's still crunchy and crunchy from the baby corn, and also the mushroom suck all the flavor, and the beef perfectly cooked. All the sauce cover everything. Oh, I can't wait to finish this bowl. Another delicious and easy recipe. Go to the Spoon Fork Heart website and then you will find out all the full recipe. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumb up, subscribe, and you will see me for the next recipe. Thank you.